Hello everyone, and welcome to Wumble's Hive. So, today is the last day of the first packet. It's the 12th of December already. Insane. And it's Archie's countdown to Christmas. So, let's see if number 12 just jumps out for us. Whoop, there it is. Gorgeous shimmer pink with sweeties on the back. Nice. Kind of look a little bit like Quality Street. Do you have Quality Street where you live? I'm a toffee stick kind of girl, or whatever it's called. Toffee penny as well. Today is yellow snow. So what colour do you suppose yellow snow is? And let me know down below what the saying is regarding yellow snow. So I'm going to assume it's yellow, and maybe it's got some silver shimmer in. So let's have a see. Ooh, it's a very gold. It's very similar to my little ring there. So, let's get this thing wet and see what happens. Oh, I've not shown you the spruce yet, have I? So let's get that wet, let it have a think about it. And in the meantime, I'll show you what spruce looks like. Oh, I've got water over there. Sometimes I'm a bit violent. So it's a very dark green. But as you can see, there's like a slight silver glimmer to it. And it really does look like frosted pine needles. That's so cool. But let's see what yellow snow looks like. It's very creamy. Ooh. So I would say this is a warmer gold than the sugar cookies that we had last week. Well, not so much last week as at the weekend. It's a very nice colour. And it seems to have a good amount of maybe shimmer and tiny glitter as well, which is really cool. So let's see if I can let you see it at all. Not really, but as I'm moving it about, I can actually see the little glitters moving in the wet paint. I'm not sure if you guys can, but that is a lovely colour. So, let me know at the halfway point, guys, what your favourite is so far. They are all lovely colours and all very useful in their own right, but I'm sure you know that this one is still winning in my world. How about you? Let me know below. And until tomorrow, when we get to see what this looks like fully dry, or at least you do, because I'm going to get to see in about 15 minutes when it dries. Go away. Find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy.